Hi, my name is James and I'm a third year mechatronic engineering student at Lancaster, and I'm going to talk you through my third year project, which was to design, build and test an autonomous system capable of accurately positioning a chemical sensor against plant features. You can learn a lot of information about a plant's well-being through phenotyping. That is, monitoring its biochemical characteristics with the use of a chemical sensor. Useful measurements can include anything from carbon dioxide to volatile organic chemicals and relative humidity, and the data can be used for experimental purposes or for improving agricultural efficiency. The Lancaster Environment Centre perform experiments such as this as part of their research. An issue with this is that an operator is required to take many manual measurements of a group of plants. My project involved research and development into a system which could automate this task, improving the scalability of experiments performed by LEC, as well as horizon scanning for how a system could be applied in an industrial plantation. My design features a Raspberry Pi computer to which I added an object detection neural network, as well as code for converting the classification data into leaf position predictions. The Raspberry Pi was connected to a digital camera for scanning the plant and an Arduino. The Arduino controls the motion of 3 stepper motors which control the position of the camera and the robot's probing arm. I designed the entire robot from scratch using standard parts and manufacturing techniques, such as aluminium extrusion and 3D printing. After initiation, a calibration command is issued, which runs each motor until a limit switch is pressed. The motor's positions are then set to 0. The camera is then moved over the plant, where at regular distance intervals a picture is taken and saved. Code I wrote for the Arduino ensures that each motion undergoes safe acceleration and deceleration, which prevents vibrations, which would cause blurry images. Now with every picture taken, an object detection neural network is initiated on the Pi, and all clearly visible leaves are labelled by the network with bounding boxes. Each bounding box can then be overlaid into a single image. Code I designed then works out which detection belongs to which leaf. Because the camera was moved in regular distance intervals, the distance between each detection should also be regular. So by calculating every centre position, the average pixel distance between detections can be used to calculate each leaf's depth. Now with the depth, the relative position of every detection in each image can be used to calculate the horizontal position of each leaf. The robot will then move the probing arm to each detected leaf where a chemical measurement could be taken. The algorithm has an average error of 20 mm, which is primarily due to the accuracy of the neural network. A more powerful computer would be required to run a more accurate network. It is at this point where the system is reset and the robot could be autonomously manoeuvred to another plant for the process to be repeated. I see potential for this concept to be developed further with the use of more powerful neural network as well as closer integration with the chemical sensor. Thank you for listening.